What is going on YouTube? Hayden Mac making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at most of the major cryptocurrencies, pretty much leaving or starting from where we left off yesterday. But again, keep in mind, most of the markets are pretty much closed. They are closed. The stock market is closed today, and it was also closed yesterday. So we're really not seeing that much volume happen over the weekend. That's typically what takes place every weekend for, I don't even know, probably since the last bull run back in 2020, 2021. So it's been about 3 or 4 years where it's, there's been a correspondence with the stock market movement and with cryptocurrency. And the weekends, typically we do not see that, especially since institutional money has their hands tied in both of them, and we have ETFs and a lot of money in ETFs that correspond with the Bitcoin price. So there's a lot of double dipping going on right now, so we're not really seeing much movement, but we're going to continue from where we left off. For those that maybe are new to the channel, that want to kind of see what's going on here, when our opportunities, reiterate yet again, drill it into your guys' heads as to when I plan on buying in, and also the trigger prices as to when I would short and when I would long, depending on where we move to. Although everything is looking pretty good right now, we do have some technical indicators that we're trying to complete. I will just remove this as it's kind of over for right now on Solana, but you can clearly see what appears to be a double top formation here. Hopefully, we continue to play out inside the sideways channel, because if we break the sideways channel, we would know when to be buying in. We confirm closure above this top here, we can buy in and long. We break through floor, we buy in and we short to the downside here. On Solana, XRP looks like it wants to continue its ascending fractal here as we start to head up, ascending broadening wedge, excuse me. We have Ethereum filling out the gap on its symmetrical triangle on its daily charts here. Hopefully this week we'll have an answer to which direction we move to, and the same thing is applied and made and is with Bitcoin as well, filling in this gap clear as day here. We're looking for a decision on that, and the S&P is kind of trending or hanging on for dear life right now as we just started to break outside this beautiful ascending fractal here, and there's a good chance we could start tumbling down fairly soon. With that being said, before we dive into the technical analysis, super quick, I want to let you guys know that BidFi is still doing their 4th anniversary here. I think it's all this month, where you guys can share in a $20,000 prize pool by literally what is this? Inviting your friends to the exchange. It's that simple. It's free to do. There's tons of rewards you can earn with BidFi. Link is down in the description below. Tap the link, click it, and you'll be able to get more information on what's going on with this. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, yesterday we made a video basically reiterating the fact that we're very close to seeing some sort of decision here with XRP. You can see we're filling in the gap. Now, it's not just, this isn't the XRP chart. This is either I'm pretty sure it's Bitcoin here. Yeah, it's Bitcoin's price chart here. And what we're doing is they're seeing a lot of consolidation across the board, but it's also going with XRP too. All the cryptos are seeing consolidation. They're all at they're all pretty much hanging on for dear life, and I'll explain why in a second here. Quick refresh of the current coin market cap reveals 2.59 trillion. We're up 2.5%, trading at 75 in the Fear and Greed Index, and pretty much consolidating. A lot of these cryptos are consolidating. Doge is up 8%, which is really cool. A lot of these other cryptocurrencies are kind of floating. Nothing too bad. You can see a lot of the consolidation on the weekly chart here. Nothing to write home about, and this is good. It gives us all a break here, but really the focus will start on XRP and move forward here. But just to show you everything, the new indicator, so XRP is filling in its gap outside of a bull flag that it broke out of here, and we're now forming an ascending broadening wedge. You could see higher lows and higher highs each time we flare up. We're looking for the next one to happen, but regardless, we are inside an ascending fractal, and we came very close to a low where if we broke through it, we would come, spiraling down. Now, it's not just XRP seeing this. We also have Solana inside a symmetric or a sideways channel here. If we break through floor, will most likely spiral down. And it's not just Solana. Look at Ethereum, also filling in a technical indicator. This is a symmetrical triangle filling in the gap here. We break through top, we buy in and long. We break through floor, we buy in and short. And same thing goes with Bitcoin. Break through top, long, break through floor, short. It's that simple. And this is with all the major cryptos. Everything is in some sort of technical indicator where it's coming to an end, and a decision is going to have to be made very soon. And that's kind of the big assumption here. The big focus is that hopefully this week we can get some sort of decision, as everything is hanging on for dear life and a decision is going to have to be made. So to focus in on XRP, we just broke out of a beautiful bull flag formation, filled in this gap, slowly trending, slowly trading sideways, and then finally, after lots of consolidation since November of 2023, we broke through this resistance here. This was a huge buying opportunity. We took advantage of it. We exploded to the upside, but since we fell down, we kind of mapped out how big this could move to, but we also said that we're forming an ascending broadening wedge, and typically when we hit bottom here, ascending broadening wedges break through floor. They fall down. It's a bearish continuation pattern here, but we're trying to see if we have one last, pump in us. Now, we're getting very close, remember, to the Bitcoin halving, which comes April 19th to the 21st, around then. And when that happens, hopefully afterwards, we can see what could be, 300% gains across the board on cryptos and more for some other cryptocurrencies here. But we're held on to dear life with the support. We had to adjust the charts ever so slightly on XRP, and you can see we adjusted it here. We bounced off support, rebounded, and are starting to trend up, getting caught within this moving average here. But the goal is that we could break through some of these resistances in green, in red, and start to rally to the upside here. We'll see if it happens, but that's the ideal goal, is that we can continue to trend upwards here. Let's see what next week brings. That's really the big focal point, at least for me here. Obviously, we'll do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you'd want on exchange is offered on BidFi, including the fact they have welcome rewards and a demo trading account, which is just honestly the best. They give you over $2,000 in rewards that you can earn and get for free by completing these tasks here. And then you can use these bonuses to trade with real cryptocurrency, and then all your profits is, free to withdraw. It's super cool. On top of that here, they have a demo trading account, which gives you Monopoly money, 50 grand to be exact. When you run out, you can literally click this and click to receive, and you can type in the amount of, or you literally just click to receive, and I think that's it. Now, obviously, I have a lot more demo money here, but when you reduce that or you lose it or whatever, you can obviously get more. It's that simple. They'll constantly refresh it and refill it, which is super cool. But this allows you to trade around and practice your skills completely free and also risk-free, which is super cool. Get familiar with the platform, and then when you're ready, you click live trade, and you can actually trade with real cryptocurrency over here, which is even cooler. Anywho, moving forward from XRP, we're going to jump to Solana here. So XRP, as you guys know, is completing this. We're looking for a reversal. That's the goal for XRP. And for Solana, we're looking to see, okay, well, where are we going to move to in this? We clearly have a support and a floor. We have a ceiling and a floor. If we break through the ceiling, we can buy in and long. If we break through the floor, we'll buy in and short. It's that simple. It's that easy. And, that's what we're looking for here. We're filling in this gap, and we'll see what exactly comes to market here. If we break through the top floor, we'll buy in and long. We break through we break through the top ceiling, we'll buy in and long. We break through the floor, we'll buy in and short. And it's that simple. There's nothing more to it. It's textbook. So it's just being patient. And when it appears, when we have a daily closure below this or above this, we'll know when to buy in and long or short to the downside here. If we break through the price ceiling, we'll know we'll be entering all-time highs for 2024, prices we haven't hit in 2024 before, and vice versa. We fall or we correct below that green band, we'll know we'll be coming back to moving average to come and retest this, gain some more neutral levels, and then we'll obviously rebound off that too, which is really cool. Moving forward to these other cryptocurrencies to wrap up today's video here. A lot of these cryptos, Ethereum and Bitcoin look the best. They look the easiest to trend on because we found clear 1, 2, and 3. Price floors 1 and 2 price ceilings here, and as we fill in this gap, hopefully if we can confirm closure above or below this, which should be the latest this week, we can buy in and leverage trade. That's the goal. We can buy in and short. That is also the goal here. So keep your eyes peeled on Ethereum and Bitcoin because these look like the most dominant or the easiest indicators to capitalize on trades, which we could take advantage of on BidFi as well. These look like the easiest to buy in or short, depending on when they move to, because they're going to fill in the gap. Like Solana can just keep trading inside this for a very long time, and XRP, who knows, could do the same thing. But Ethereum and Bitcoin, they're on a timeline. Like their schedule ends, and at some point they're going to have to make a decision as to which direction, and hopefully we'll be able to capitalize on that much earlier than these other cryptos. So that's kind of the plan moving forward. As for the S&P, we're also waiting for a decline, a steady decline nonetheless, and then we'll be able to capitalize off that run as well. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.